Hello everyone! For today's video ay tungkol po ulit ito kay Shopee. Kung tayo po ay bumibili online like sa Shopee and once na nakatanggap po tayo ng wrong or faulty items like missing products, damaged or expired products, and so on. You can file a return or refund in Shopee after an order is received. Okay, so like me guys, ay nakatanggap po ako ng missing item. And now po is how do I get my refund back from Shopee? Okay, kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, so bago po pala tayo mag-request ng return refund, kailangan po na ang ating order is still covered by the Shopee return window and make sure guys na ang ating Shopee Pay ay activated. Kasi dito po sa Shopee Pay, dito po nila ipapasok yung amount of money that is given back to us. Okay, so mahalaga po guys na kapag i-open natin ang ating parcel, we need to take photo and video kasi i-upload po natin yan as a proof or as an evidence. Okay, so i-open na po natin ang ating Shopee application or Shopee account. And then i-click po natin tong Me. Okay, so i-open po natin ang Receive. Then click Parcel na may missing item. And i-click po natin to Return or Refund. Okay, may choices po dito. If I have received all my items but there are issues, or I didn't receive some or all of my items. Dito guys, sa una ay kung may items na natanggap kayo but incomplete, malfunctioning, damage, and so on. And dito sa second one is if missing parcel, quantities, items, and so on. Okay, so pipili lang po tayo dito. And next naman is hanapin po natin yung item na hindi po natin natanggap or a missing item. Okay, so ito po yung kailangan kong i-refund. 2 pieces technical drawing pen na may halaga po na 27 pesos. So, times 2 pieces. So, equals 54 pesos. And then, just click next. And then, i-click po natin to reason. Pipili lang po tayo dito if missing part of the order. Then, wrong item, example, wrong size or model, if damaged item or product is defective or does not work. So, I will choose missing part of the order and then i-click po natin itong confirm. Okay, i-click po naman natin itong solution and select if return and refund ba or refund only. Okay, I will choose refund only kasi my parcel I received does not contain some items. So, wala naman po akong ibabalik na item and I just want to get my money back. And the payment option is Shopee Pay Wallet. Okay, next, leave your comment. Optional naman po, pwede lagyan, pwede hindi. But for me, maglalagay po ako ng comment. And then, mag-upload po tayo ng clear photos and videos showing that the parcels received and products. Okay, after natin mag-upload ng videos and photos, click natin tang submit. So, ayan guys, case under review. So, they aim to provide with an update within 3 days. So, naghintay lang po ako ng wala pang 1 hour. And di-confirm din po naman agad ni seller yung aking request. And pakikita po natin dito sa notification, notifies me that approved the amount of 54 pesos to my Shopee Pay. At kapag ni-open natin, you can see po dito sa details is completed. Before, my Shopee Pay balance po is 61 pesos to 115 pesos. Okay, so nadagdag na po yung 54 pesos po ng refund. So hanggang dito na lang po itong video. Sana po ay nakatulong po ako sa inyo. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much guys sa panonood. God bless and see you on my next video. Bye bye!